Think your Facebook is secure in 2025? Think again. Strong passwords and two-factor authentication are important, but hackers have evolved beyond these basics. You need to know the latest hacking methods to protect yourself. In this video, we'll break down the 10 most advanced Facebook hacking techniques and how to outsmart them. Use this knowledge to strengthen your defenses and stay secure. Watch for AI-powered phishing, deepfake social engineering, and other advanced threats. Let's get started. In 2025, hackers use AI to create phishing pages that look exactly like the real Facebook login screen. These pages can match your region, language, and even update instantly to mimic Facebook's latest changes. You might get a message from a friend with a link, and the page you land on will look completely legitimate. Hackers can deploy thousands of these fake pages, each tailored to specific targets. To protect yourself, never click a link to log in. Always type facebook.com directly into your browser. Check for the padlock icon and make sure the domain is correct. If your password manager doesn't autofill, that's a red flag. No matter how real the page looks, only the real domain is safe. Malicious browser extensions can compromise your Facebook account. Once installed, a malicious extension can steal your Facebook access tokens and let attackers access your account without your password. Attackers can impersonate you, post, message, and steal your private data. Facebook's security might not detect this, so you won't get a login alert. To protect yourself, only install extensions from official sources and remove any you don't absolutely need. Always check reviews and permissions before installing. If an extension asks for access to all your website data, uninstall it immediately. Session hijacking on public Wi-Fi is a real threat, especially in places like airports, coffee shops, and hotels. Hackers can set up fake Wi-Fi hotspots with names like free airport Wi-Fi to trick you into connecting. Once connected, they can intercept your data and steal your Facebook session. Always check for the HTTPS padlock in your browser when logging in. If the padlock is missing, leave the site immediately. Your connection isn't secure. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities like Facebook. If you must use public Wi-Fi, always use a reputable VPN to encrypt your data. A VPN keeps your information safe from prying eyes. Facebook clone profiles are a common attack where hackers copy your public profile and create a fake account. They use your name and photos to make the clone look real, then send friend requests to your contacts. Your friends may accept thinking it's you. The hacker can then message your friends, ask for money, or send malicious links. To protect yourself, lock down your profile. Set your friends list to only me. This is the most critical step. Also, tell your friends and family you'll never create a second account or ask for money online. If they get a suspicious request, they should call you to confirm. Simple privacy steps can stop clone attacks. Keyloggers are spyware that record every keystroke you make, including Facebook usernames, passwords, and private messages. They can infect your device through shady downloads, phishing email attachments, or rarely as physical devices plugged into your computer. Software keyloggers are especially dangerous because they run invisibly in the background. Once active, they capture your Facebook login details and everything you type after logging in. Even with two-factor authentication, keyloggers can still compromise your account. To protect yourself, practice good digital hygiene. Use reputable antivirus and anti-malware software and keep it updated. Be cautious with downloads and email attachments. Only install apps from official stores and trusted developers. Use a password manager with autofill to avoid typing passwords, which can help bypass some keyloggers. SIM swapping targets your phone number to bypass two-factor authentication and take over your accounts. Attackers gather your personal info, then call your mobile provider, pretending to be you. If successful, your SIM is deactivated and your number is transferred to the hacker's SIM. They receive your SMS codes and can reset your Facebook password, locking you out. To protect yourself, call your carrier and set up a PIN or password on your account. This extra step makes it much harder for hackers to hijack your number. Take a minute to do this now and secure your accounts. Hackers can exploit Facebook's Trusted Contacts feature to take over your account. Trusted Contacts lets you pick friends who can help you recover your account if you're locked out. Hackers use this by first compromising your account, then changing your password, email, and phone number to lock you out. They start the Trusted Contacts recovery process and message your friends, pretending to be you, asking for the recovery codes. If your friends send the codes, the hacker gains full control of your account. To protect yourself, tell your trusted contacts to always verify with you by phone or another method before sharing any recovery codes. OAuth lets you log in to apps and websites with your Facebook account, but it can expose your data if you're not careful. Always read the permissions pop-up before you click Allow. Only grant access to information that's truly necessary for the app to function. Regularly review your connected apps in Facebook settings under Apps and Websites. Remove any apps you don't recognize or no longer use. Be critical of the permissions each app has. If an app asks for more than it needs, revoke its permissions or remove it. Treat your Facebook data like cash. Don't give it away carelessly. Deepfake voice social engineering is a real threat in 2025. Attackers can easily clone your voice using AI software and a small sample from a video, voicemail, or social media post. They use this synthetic voice to impersonate you and trick your family or friends. The scammer may spoof your caller ID and call your loved ones, pretending to be you in distress and asking for money or sensitive information. They might also try to get trusted contact recovery codes from your friends. To protect yourself, set up a safe word or duress code with your close contacts. If anyone receives a suspicious call, they should ask for the safe word before sharing any information or sending money. If the caller can't provide it, hang up immediately. This simple step can stop deepfake voice scams. Corporate and business Facebook accounts are prime targets for hackers, often through highly targeted phishing campaigns. Hackers send fake emails that look like they're from Meta for Business or the Facebook ads team. These emails claim urgent issues like policy violations or page risks and urge immediate action. They include links to fake support centers designed to steal your login credentials. Attackers may also trick you into giving up your two-factor authentication code. Once inside, hackers remove legitimate admins and take over the account. They can run fraudulent ads or demand ransom for your page's return. Train all employees to spot phishing attempts. Always verify sender addresses and never click links in suspicious emails. Instead, manually log into Facebook Business Suite to check for real notifications. Here are the key ways to protect your Facebook account in 2025. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Set a PIN with your mobile carrier and regularly review your app permissions. Be cautious with links and messages and always verify before clicking or sharing information. Watch out for AI phishing, malicious browser extensions, and deepfake voice calls. Stay updated on new threats by following trusted cybersecurity sources. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.